What kinds of things do you do on a daily basis? Watch videos? Rant about something you hate? View memes and funny photos? Share your opinion on the terrible movie you just watched? Take selfies? Grow a beard? Draw things? Share news with friends on Facebook? Give your opinion on things? Maybe even sing when no one's around. These are just some of the things that you probably do on a daily basis for free. What if you could get paid to do all of these things? Introducing TimeBucks. TimeBucks is a reward site that pays you with real cash, unlike other sites which are hard to use and only pay in gift cards. After all, you're here to make some real cash, not gift cards. TimeBucks is simple, organized, and easy to use, which saves you time. And more time equals more bucks. You could probably use some extra cash, right? Maybe you're a teenager or a stay-at-home mom, or maybe you're just struggling to pay the bills each month, like so many people in the world. With TimeBucks, you can sign up for free and start earning cash instantly. Forget raking the leaves on Mrs. Jones' lawn in the blazing sun. Just sign up on TimeBucks and start earning from the comfort of your own home. TimeBucks pays out earnings weekly through PayPal as soon as you've reached the low minimum payout amount of just $10. With our daily earnings ladder, you can earn even more because the top 3 earners each day score a cash bonus. Stop losing money when you can get paid to enjoy life too. No more climbing into hot attics or under houses to do odd jobs for your neighbors. Why go through all that suffering to make a few bucks when you could be making it right from your couch? Get caught up on your bills, earn extra cash for your summer vacation, have extra pocket money on the weekends. Make the most of your downtime by turning it into income. Make living life better by getting paid for it too. Sign up today with Time.
All right, so that was a quick young overview. Yes, we are talking about TimeBucks, changing the world one task at a time. They pay you to post on TikTok, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete Captchas, post on Instagram, answer surveys, and more. This is the video y'all just seen. They got daily bonuses. You can start earning instantly. The referral program is pretty nice. Payout weekly, and they got support staff. Sounds too good to be true. Click that link in the description. Let them prove us wrong. Let me go on ahead and log in and let y'all see the good inside. Hit me a square. Earn 15% commissions for life. Do your daily goal checklist. Knock this out every day. Started this yesterday, March 1st, which I was supposed to make the video. I'm gonna do this every day for 30 days. See how much money can be made, and I'll do an updated video. Going ahead and join them on Facebook. Every day, just come here, click on earn. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory. Surveys, you're gonna do your surveys. Plenty of surveys to knock out, money to be made. And yes, this is worldwide. You can complete some offers. $1.25, 50 cents, 50 cents, $4, $1.54, 77 cents, 77 cents, $1.87. I mean, there's just money to be made every day. If you're just sitting on your couch chilling, watching TV, come to this website and make you some money. Clicks, slideshows. Go through at least 7 pages in the slideshow to be credited. Offer expires in 10 hours. Captchas. Type in the captchas. It tells you what to do. Nightfall news. Like I said, everything is self-explanatory. So it all depends on how you want to make your money. Videos. 54-word slides. Not too sure what that is. I'm gonna go through this whole thing today and tomorrow and the next day. I'm gonna be on here every day, knocking out tasks, signups. I just downloaded TikTok. I'm gonna make money all day long with this site. I ain't gonna make this video long. Y'all come here, sign up, go through everything. Make sure you enter your correct information so you get paid every week. That being said, keep your head up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. TimeBucks link is in the description. Come get this money. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm gone.